I never thought that I would have so many sightings and so many very thrilling moments all over in a span of 3 days, and I did, and it is extremely exciting. So definitely way beyond my expectation. So Tadoba was absolutely amazing.
I want to talk a little bit about Prakash and Pinto and Subhash and Murlidhar and Divakar. These set of people were our guides and our drivers, and my goodness, if I had the kind of excitement I did for my job, but that enthusiasm that he has, my God, it really shows through. And what the great thing about that is, it gets everyone involved, right? So you feel like you're all on this expedition or this treasure hunt to find this tiger.
The whole experience was so much more enhanced because of Shashank, because you realize that there is somebody who knows everything you want to ask him. Like, you have 10,000 different questions and you know there's an answer to every one of those questions.
So guys, incredibly, right on our very first safari, we've actually seen something rarer than a tiger. We have just spent a good amount of time with a nice, beautiful leopard resting in the bamboo. Just look at these faces.
The leopard sighting was also one thing that I would remember, carry with me my entire life, because we saw it so unexpectedly right within the first few minutes of the trip. And what made it even more memorable was the way our guide just got a whiff of the fact that it would be there. We were blown away.
Unbelievably, one of the biggest male tigers here of Tadoba, Matkasur, has just given us an amazing show. Wow, we're just lost for words.
Obviously, the two tiger sightings have been literally crazy, because the amount of time that we got with both tigers, we got to see it doing all kinds of different things. So that was great. It wasn't just walking; it was doing marking test territory, drinking water, going towards its kill, sleeping, fidgeting with itself, all kinds of stuff. So that was truly the best part of the experience. Just the fact that get to see the tiger in its own habitat doing all sorts of things.